if you go to Google and type Canva, and then canva.com will appear like this. If you click that website, and then it will ask you to log in for free, and if you want their premium features, and it will be good that we can go with premium, but when you are practicing Canva, you can use the free account and practice Canva and its features and integrate them into your designs, and then after you have mastered that, you can buy Canva and use that. So let me log in. If you are new, you can click sign up over here, and then you can get inside with this Canva. I'm trying with my Google account and joining in. If you go to the canva.com, and you will be directed to this page. In this page you have bunch of different options available for you to create. You don't have to start from scratch. You can start from the templates and do customizing them. So here, as an example, if I type Instagram, and then you can have Instagram portrait, which is the size exactly as it is, and Instagram post or square shaped one. You can click whatever the shape that you want. Similarly, you can search and obtain whatever the canvas that you are going to obtain, right? So that is the search bar for you. And here, if you go over here, there may be some suggestions for you. As an example, you can create a document or whiteboard to brainstorm the ideas, or A4 document, you can create a book or something, and Facebook landscapes, and there are a bunch of different options available for you over here. And here, if you go back, and you can see your previous recent designs over here, and if they are providing you some kind of gifts or discovering new features, and then you can find these things over here. And here, if you come to the left side menu, and it has a team that you have currently joined, and if you are using Canva as a team member, you can use these, right? And if you go to this top bar, design spotlight, and you will have a different options available for you as well. As an example, if you are designing a card, and then you can click just card for prints, and then you can do the customizing works on there, right? There will be a lot of templates available for you to do that customization. As you can see, here are the templates. Of course, you can change whatever you want, maybe the images, graphics, these fonts or colors, etc., right? So browse, if you click browse all templates, and then you can see all the templates that are on Canva, right? Okay, so likewise you can create whatever you wanted to. If you go to the design spotlight, and you can create whiteboards or graphs and charts, etc., right? These are for prints, and these are for marketing. As an example, logo, posters, flyers. You can do most of the things over here. The best thing in Canva is the templates, right? You can drag and drop the templates, you can obtain the templates and do customizing them easily and quickly. So here also, if you are not finding what you are looking for, of course you can go over to here and type like YouTube thumbnail. If you wanted to create your YouTube thumbnails, you can click this one, so that YouTube thumbnail will be opened up, right? And here, if you go here, download the app. If you are using your tablet or mobile phone, you can download this app and use it on your smartphone devices, right? These are the account settings. If you want, you can do the customization of your account. You can change your name or profile, or you can add your payment or billing plans, etc., over here. I'm not going to go deep because these are similar to the accounts like you find on other websites as well. So here, if you go to this one, create a design, and then you can create the design from the canvas that you are looking for. You can find whatever the canvas you wanted to obtain, or maybe you can type whatever you wanted to obtain. As an example, as I said earlier, YouTube thumbnail, and if you click this one, and then YouTube thumbnail will appear over here, right? So that is how you create your new project. It's very simple and straightforward. You can create this one, and after you have clicked that one, and then you will be directed to this page. In this page, this is where you do the editings and customizations and all the other things. This is called as the Canva workspace.